Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate Visa card online guide step by step clearly. To activate your Visa card online, start by visiting the official website of your card issuer. Look for the section dedicated to card activation. You may find this under headings like Activate Card or New Card Activation. Once you locate the activation section, click on it to proceed. You will likely be prompted to enter your card details. Provide the full card number, usually found on the front of your Visa card. Next, enter the expiration date. This can also be found on the front of the card, typically labeled with the month and year. You may also need to provide the CVV code. This 3-digit number is located on the back of your card. In some cases, you might be asked to create an online account if you haven't already. If prompted, fill out the required fields such as your name, email address, and password. Once all the requested information is entered, review your details for accuracy. After confirming that everything is correct, submit your information. You should receive a confirmation message indicating that your card has been activated. If you encounter any issues, look for a customer service number on the website. Don't hesitate to reach out for assistance if necessary. With your Visa card activated, you can now start using it for purchases and transactions online. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.